Hi, my name is Dr. Patty Ann Ford, and I am your dietitian, your coach, and your doctor to help heal your relationship with your food, body weight, and eating. Today, I'm going to talk to you today about why you can't lose the weight, why diets don't work. You can research all the macros. You can do all of the supplements. You can do all of the plans. You can do all of the pills. You can do all of the potions. But if you don't know how you're actually going to do it, you're most likely going to stop. You're most likely going to stop in 2 weeks, maybe 6 weeks, maybe some people even last a year. Who is going to support you? Where are you going to eat the meals? How can you be you? How can you say what you're thinking, feel what you're feeling safely without any judgment? How can you be you in a really safe place with all of the thoughts and all of the feelings that you may have? Without all of these dynamics of health, the what of eating is one small piece of the puzzle, an important piece of the puzzle, but a very small piece. My coaching program first is a 3-step framework. It's going to help you get to the what, which is important, but it also is going to help you get to your primary drivers of your behaviors or your habits, which are your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. Thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. So you first have to take your thoughts into account. Second, you have to identify and be aware of what you're feeling, and that changes all of the time. Third, you need to take into account the beliefs that you've had, which you most likely have had for a really long time, and you're not aware that they're there. Then you have to customize all of this to fit your specific lifestyle into tangible, actionable steps. 1 millimeter creation, tangible step at a time. I'm Dr. Patty Ann Ford, and why diets don't work and why you can't lose the weight. It's more than just a what. You have to figure out how. Thank you. If this was valuable, like and subscribe and follow along. Okay, bye.